first time that a generation has a tipping point where the Eastern and the emerging markets are more important already today, or as important as Western markets.
I want to literally build better people, which should sound scary.
No matter what your industry, almost certainly quantum computing or a related field like sensing or communications will affect it.
Better humans makes AI better.
What is your burning urgency? Where is the heat where you want to send your missile? The things that you just want to solve in the world, that because you were born, the world is going to be better.
As business leaders, it is imperative that you think about some of the regulatory challenges that may come on the horizon.
This is like to boldly go where no one has gone before.
You should be thinking of biotech as a horizontal, a foundational technology that's going to underlie many, many different innovation spaces and different verticals.
If we're just talking about the technologies, by the time you walk out the door, you're behind. And you would have to come here every week. You can't do any of this unless you're changing the way you think. So that has to be the focus.
One of the things that I hope you'll take with you when you leave this week is this. It's a mindset, it's a mode of operation, it's a way of perceiving the world, but connecting dots across different domains.
One realization that came to me is that the most powerful technology amongst that list itself is the last one, which is on human potential.
What we are taking home, perhaps I personally, is a lasting impact in the way we thought before coming here.
I am blown away by this program and how intentional this program has been.
This has been an amazing week. I think words just doesn't do it justice.